found my car, baby. I jarred the tomato juice. As usual, I don't have a recipe, I just do things my own way. Beginning of September, and you can tell that the summer is gone. The sun is trying to shine through, yet doesn't have that much power as the summer sun. The house that we built so far by ourselves has so many other little projects going. They all necessarily before we can move into the house. Mihai is busy and I'm trying to do my own things around because I don't want to do nothing. Our tomatoes did good so far. Now is the time to collect a bunch of tomatoes to do some canning. I like the tomatoes as fresh as possible. For this I'm gonna make only the tomato juice. First I puree the tomatoes with a blender. Then I strain out the seeds and the skins. Then I put them to a boil. After they got down to the 2/3, I added some salt and a branch of basil. Then I canned them, covered them up with the lids, and let them overnight covered with the blankets. The next day, they're ready to go in a pantry. I jarred the tomato juice and I wrap them up to stay warm. And by the way, it's more than 16 hours since I put them in here and they're still warm. Because I'm reusing the caps, I always put plastic because I don't trust the reused caps. But yeah, the juice is looking great. And they're still warm to the touch. They're warm all time at temperature. I'm gonna still leave them here for another few hours because I like the fact that they are warm. Okay, I have to close it up back. That's how my grandmother was processing her jars before she put them for the winter time. Nice and warm. I really believe that it's great to get along with the nature and with the neighbors too. From our neighbors that give me honey, I got pure beeswax. It smells so good. But today I'm making the huckleberry jam. I'm gonna try to make it as a preserve actually. And I'm gonna use 2 organic apples that are from the same neighbor. His name is Daryl. Thank you, Daryl. And I'm gonna use only the organic apples, sugar, lemon, and the huckleberries. I have to use green apples because they have a lot of pectin. And these are almost done. I'm gonna let it sit for a little longer and then they're gonna be really pureed. The puree is looking great. I just turn off the stove and I let it go soft and it's perfect. Now I'm gonna add the huckleberries. I used about a gallon of huckleberries that we collected past summer in August, that they were washed and frozen right away. The steam is rising up because the huckleberries are frozen. I added the sugar. I didn't put too much, maybe half cup only. As usual, I don't have a recipe, I just do things my own way. And I'm gonna let it gently come to a boil. After a few minutes, like 2 minutes actually, this is how it's looking like. Apples and huckleberries. I'm doing corn here, and the bread is baking. Poppy seeds in the back, and cheese bread in the front with garlic and herbs. Now we're going from our mountain to a different mountain to see some event that's going to benefit the retired people in our region. But first we saw someone we know that was having a garage sale, and we decided to check it out. Of course, I got a little something for myself. I think this was the coolest home phone I ever seen. If you're interested, I know how to find it. Just say something in the comments section. This is an annual event that's happening at the beginning of September every year and started not long ago. The firefighter's truck was my favorite, and by the way, the firefighters in these regions are all volunteers. My car, baby. Remember we seen it in Washington? I found my car. This is it. Second time in my life when I see it. This is not coincidence. Yes, I've seen this car last year in an auction place where we got our mini excavator. Yeah, this is not coincidence. Thinking about it, I don't see too many colorful cars on the road. What happened to them? A bunch of ants with wings? What's going on? There are too many. It's the first time in my life when I'm seeing so many at once. Building your own home takes a lot of time and energy, yet it's giving you a big satisfaction, the satisfaction of having your own time and doing what you want. Comments or questions, you know where to put them, and don't forget, we are not professionals.